Here's a delicious halwa you can make with walnuts. All you need for this recipe is walnuts, milk, jaggery and a pinch of cardamom powder. This is a pretty simple recipe and is perfect for festive occasions or when you're entertaining guests at home. Now we'll have a look at the recipe. I have taken 2 cups of walnuts here. I'm transferring the walnuts to a mixer jar and I'll blend it to a coarse powder. Now heat a pan and add 1 tablespoon ghee. Add the walnut powder. Saute the walnut powder in ghee for a minute or so. Add 2 cups of milk. Mix well and keep stirring on low heat. Keep stirring continuously until the mixture starts thickening. The mixture has started thickening. Now at this stage you can add jaggery. I have added 1 cup of jaggery. You may add more as per your preference. Keep stirring on low heat until the jaggery melts completely. Now once the jaggery melts completely, the mixture will start spluttering. So at this point it is better to cover the pan and cook for some time. So I am covering the pan and allow it to cook for a few minutes. Now the mixture has started leaving the sides of the pan. That means our halwa is ready. We'll turn off the heat and add cardamom powder. Give it a quick mix. This is how it will look when it cools down. Now you can serve walnut halwa as it is or with vanilla ice cream. It tastes fantastic with vanilla ice cream. Now if you liked the video, do hit the like button, and if you are new to this channel, do subscribe to this channel, and if you try this recipe, do share your feedback in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Thank you.